Hey everyone, I hope you all are safe and doing good. So in this video, I'm going to tell you 6 free online certification courses that are offered by Microsoft and LinkedIn. So if you are the one who is still confused like what to do, which course, from where to do, then you can go for these courses. This is the right place for you guys. And you can easily secure a good job. You can easily secure an employment after going for these certification courses, because after completing these courses definitely you will get a certificate also, right? And Microsoft and LinkedIn, they are offering these courses and they are calling these courses as career essentials certification courses. So now you can imagine, if they are calling it these courses are as career essentials, then you can imagine the weightage of these courses, the weightage of the certificate you will get after completing these courses, right? Because these Microsoft and LinkedIn, they are offering these 6 free career essentials certification courses for 6 of the most in demand jobs in this digital era. And these career essentials courses are designed to help learners to bridge the gap from basic digital literacy to the more advanced technical skill training and gain industry recognized certificates, so that after getting the certificate you can easily secure an employment. And the most important thing is these are free of cost, right? Only one thing which is needed is you need a LinkedIn account, and you don't need any premium account or that one. You just create your account on LinkedIn and that's it. Free of cost, you can go for these courses. These are these courses are freely available on that. I'll provide you the link of that website where you can access these courses till 2025, right? So now let me show you what are these career essentials certification courses. Don't worry, the link I'll put in the description box of this video. Once you click on that link, you will be redirected to this page, right? So these learn skills for in-demand jobs, right? Now there are many more courses also. Those are high in demand like generative AI, cybersecurity, for sustainability. But those 6 career essential courses that I'm talking about is these. See, explore in demand roles, the skills you will need to succeed in them. So one is this career essential in administrative professional, in project manager, in business analyst, in system administrator, in data analyst, and career essential in software developer. These 6 are those certification courses, right? Now, if you want to go any one of them, like for software developer, you can click on this. Here we have the detail about this course, right? What you will learn here, and you will get here 3 items, and total duration of this course is 6 hours and 16 minutes. So one is this, introduction to career skills in software development, programming foundations, fundamentals, and then third item is this one, right? See the learners, there are lakhs of learners who are going for these courses. So that is why these are career essentials, right? So I think you must go for these courses. So first click on the first item, right? And there you will get the content, right? These are the chapters, the content, and once you complete all these chapters, all these things, then at last the next step is you have to take exam. Like you have to take exam, and there in this you will get 24 questions, right? Like after taking the test, first you have to take the test. After completing all these things, all these modules, then you can earn a certificate, and that will look like this. So these are self-paced courses you can do whenever you get free time, and you can just earn a certificate and you can showcase that badge or that certificate in your resume or in your LinkedIn profile, and that will definitely help you to stand up from the crowd, right? So like this, in whichever field you are interested, you can go for these courses. And more thing, like this is also very much in demand, generative AI. So you will get courses for this also, right? If you click on this one, you see the learners. This is of only 4 hours and 30 minutes content is there, and 6 items. See the learners. See from here you can get that this learning path is eligible for professional certificate from Microsoft. How it works, you can click on that and you can see. You have to complete all the courses and the content in this. You have to take and pass the final exam, and then you just get access to your certificate. You can showcase that into your resume or into your LinkedIn profile. So now we have times in summer vacations, you can go for these courses. These are self-paced courses. Anytime, whenever you get free time, you can go for these courses. Hardly you have to devote maybe for some courses only 4 hour, 5 hour, 6 hour, 10 hour. So please utilize your time, invest your time in these type of courses. So just let me know in comment section for what type of course you are going, and once you get the certificate, you just upload on that certificate on your LinkedIn profile and tag me, right? So that I can come to know that, yeah, these type of videos are helping you guys, right? So if you want me to upload more such kind of videos, you can just let me know in comment section, right? So now I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.